Well, my girlfriend and I are going on a road trip for a week, so I figured, why not see how long I can go without washing my hair? Will it be 4 days? Will it be a week? One way to find out. We are road trip, car camping ready. My hair is finally safe from all the wind. Freshly washed and ready to see how long we go. Goodbye, Philly. See you in a week. Yeah! Road trip, road trip, road trip. Bye! It's a little windy. Letting my hair air dry at a beach in Virginia, maybe not the move. There's lots of volume going on right now. It'll be fine tomorrow. Wash day is not my favorite day anyway. Bye, Virginia. Bye. It's been nice and windy knowing you. So we are on day 2. Finally, my hair is calming down. And today we're in North Carolina. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Whoa. Day 2, after washing my hair, is my favorite hair day. Okay, because now the volume is gone, and now it like just feels really healthy and new and fresh. I just hope it stays like this forever. Do you like my hair today?
Yeah, every day.
Get you a girl.
Just one.
Just one. Not mine though. She's taken. I expected beach towns to be windy, but not this windy. Good night, North Carolina. Day 3. Good thing I have my satin pillowcase. Yeah, sleeping in your car? Not for the week. We're in Charleston and it is sweaty and hot, but also really cool. I'm thinking, Coda's thinking. What day is it? 3?
3.
3?
Mm-hmm. Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Wednesday, Wednesday.
Friday, Saturday.
Day 3. I think I didn't account for it. Coda's really tired. I didn't account for it to be so sweaty. So hats are on and hair is getting dirtier and dirtier. Might be sweaty, but it's a good day. Oh. The downside of Charleston is the animal cruelty. Watch your steps. The sun has finally started to set and it is nice. It is far less sweaty now, which is perfect. I am afraid of what my scalp and my hair are doing, but that's a tomorrow issue. We made it to Savannah. Honestly, I don't know if I'm wearing a hat right now because I want to or because I have to. Yeah, let's see this thing. Honestly, it feels really smooth. I don't think my hair looks greasy. You're essentially doing the same challenge as me. How do you feel about your hair?
My hair, yeah, I mean, it's decent. It's a little
The humidity
crazy.
is curling your hair right now.
Yeah.
It looks so cute. Do you think we can make it like 4 more days?
4 more days.
Oh. We are gonna be doing some mother effing birding. What are you looking at over there? Hello? We made it to Florida. Day 5. I just feel like greasy. But I also haven't like washed my body either. So I think today is shower day. Not hair wash day. We're gonna keep going. Got at least a body reset day. You know what I mean? Hey! St. Pete is hot. It is quite warm. 83 degrees. It feels warmer. My hair is thriving. It looks brand new, in fact. Maybe just because I brushed it. How do you think you're doing?
Well, I'm in a hat and it's fully back. Can't even see it. So, doing dirty.
Not on my channel. Just a little thrifting. Caught a $2 an item sale. Crazy. Success.
Long, hard day of sweating.
Colin, what's the fit today?
So we got a crazy scoop neck on my way to the pool, mixed with a little bit of Care Bears action.
Yeah.
We got the ladybug with a heart face tattoo.
Nice.
And then just some short shorts to kind of even out that tan. We were talking about the other day, like, what is the best, like, objectively the best High School Musical song?
Are you gonna sing a Lizzie McGuire song?
Yeah.
Colin, it's been amazing. Thank you for hosting.
Thanks. It's been amazing hanging out with you guys. We up in this beach.
But we are on the road again, heading back to Philly slowly but surely. There's something about like greasy hair though that actually makes me feel like healthy. Because I'm like, it's good for your hair. And especially since my hair is bleached, I'm like, oh, it's good, get in there. Do you ever feel like that? Goodbye, Florida. 15 hours. We're literally gonna be on this almost the whole entire time. Got a little sweaty from playing catch earlier. It's like, you know when your scalp just gets itchy?
Oh God, yeah.
Like before you like wash it?
It like knows when you have to shower. Like it knows you're about to shower.
Your
So
scalp.
it gets super, super itchy.
Yeah, I'm at like the itchy part.
Brutal.
6 days. Oh, can we go one more?
Oh, that is terrifying. That angle is gnarly.
So close to being home. I don't know if my hair's wet or greasy. Who knows? Woo! 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 Y'all, we are finally back! My scalp started getting itchy like 2 or 3 days ago already from not like shampooing. So it's already like not fun to live in. I don't even think it looks that bad, to be honest. Or maybe I'm just used to it. I mean, we all know that not shampooing is great for damaged hair. However, the part that was not damaged is looking a bit greased. Like, there is a difference here. I went as long as I could. I did. Do you think I could have kept going if it wasn't this itchy?
I think you can go a month.
You think I could go a month?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, y'all, place your bets. Place your bets. How long do you think I could have gone? Thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna go wash my hair. I will see you next time.